the steak and lobster special.
I forgot to focus before I zoomed. What happens now? It's automatic?
Yep.
Good, because I got your plate full screen. Move the A1 bottle.
This is good stuff, Rachel.
So you got to show your smile there. Scrunch away. There you go. Oh, that's a smile for the camera. That's good. I'm going down to your food. I need the A1 bottle out of the picture again. Well timed.
Nice looking steak.
Oh my, that looks really good. Look at that baked potato. Flip me up some lobster there so I can see it.
Look at that lobster. Good stuff.
Oh man.
Okay, Shalisa, this is Treasure Island Hotel where we're staying. And when you come down here, this is the ship that they have the battle with, one of the ships. And there's the big Treasure Island sign. And right over there is a sign that you'll like here. You see what it is now? It's the Rosewood Grill. And they're famous for, look at that lobster. Isn't that a huge lobster he's holding? That lobster's name is Harvey. We took that picture a long time ago. Isn't that cool? That's the very top of the Luxor, where the Luxor is the pyramid. And if you come down, you can kind of see how it's made. It's really hard to tell. This is a pyramid, and that was the tip of it. All inside of a pyramid. Those are the rooms over there. And you're going back up to the very top. Fun, huh? Nathan, you see they've added strobes going down each end. You have your beam of light coming down from the sky.
Each room is floor-to-ceiling glass on the window. Really? Yeah.
And they're still making the 24-track Studer. How about that?
4 tracks, and I marched down to Sunday, and we remixed, gave a rough mix, and go back and sing to that, and then I'll see if it'll sync up to the video. Well, I mean, he's put a lot of money into the video.
Well, Shalisa, there's another train going by.
Liberace Jr.
Yeah, it's really nice to see you.
And Marilyn Monroe, Marilyn's here. We have to get Marilyn in there. Oh gosh.
What a surprise.
Better Marilyn than Lee, you know? Thanks, Marilyn.
So is Mike here?
Yeah. Isn't that neat to come through the hallway and look at a fireplace?
Oh, wow. This is his villa. This is just where he stayed when he was working at the Riviera.
Right.
Yeah, he had to slump, you know.
It is big home in Palm Springs.
Yeah, and this is a little bathroom.
Should probably rough it here for a few days.
This is the bed. See, this is the bed here. Victor, and this is their pillows. And no, George Washington didn't sleep here. It was Liberace. Oh my gosh, there's a mirror on the ceiling. That's really scary, you guys. That's really scary. Okay, this is the fountain going back here to the jacuzzi. A beautiful chandelier over the top. Another
Thank you.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Pretty real looking.
How do I turn it off?
TV series are built with Apple than any other nonlinear systems on Earth.
I don't think a good creative person can play it safe and be successful. It's really easy to do the same old thing. It's a little bit harder to try to find new ways to do it. It's got to be out there. You should be out there every day walking on Earth creating. But the other helps us communicate just to try to it's really nice to have a supportive system behind these apps.
Cameras from Philips, HDTV, the girls, the cops, the New York scene. Hey, look, it's New York, New York in the background. The hotel across the street.
Let me introduce Tom.
Takes it down now. Put your hand up. It takes that long of a delay. It's a 1 second delay before you see it over there. See, I raise my hand and it comes down. I raise my hand. See my hand, it takes it 1 second to encode the HDTV information. This is the cool Wheatstone board. Stack. M20. And then over here is the 16-track version, which records to a jazz drive. Okay. You can have the computer to control it, which is made by Akai. All right. And you can stack up 4 of these if you want. These are $3,000 a piece. This one over here is $1,500.
You doing it?
Yeah.
Hoover Dam, cars, the whole business. Here after NAB. Having a good time. Would call you, Rachel, but there's no cell phone activity around here.
So this is what they toured in to figure out where to build the thing.
trucks you see inside the dam come through that tunnel and down through the canyon. It's that little building sticking out over the canyon. Bond movies.
This was? Yeah.
What's down there? Ow! That's why you got hard.
There's where we were down there, the other side. And you look around over here, this is where the water is.
You cool down there?
There's Lake Mead,
Oh, yeah.
a lake that was formed from this. So this water in this lake could cover Pennsylvania a foot deep all the way around.
This is the Hoover Dam. You got record light on in there?
Yeah!
This is it. Went all the way down there, all the way up, and then there's Lake Mead across the other side. Cool time, huh? Guess I can take my hard head off now.
Yeah, there's the new visitor center. See how big that is by the people on top.
Look at the water boiling up out of the generators, out of the feed pipes.
And then this is those towers we were looking at that slant down. And then down there is the water is boiling out of the generators. Pretty amazing, actually. We were right
There. And there. And there.
there.
And there. And there.
We were right there. Shooting up here. We walked along that area right there. Pretty interesting. Okay, this is me here in front of the site down there.
Before they put the water
Way
in.
down there before they put the water in. And I just wanted to look real official here with my hard hat. See you later.
Frosty the Clown.
High voltage for sure. Pretty amazing. What is that down there? That would be fun. Well, there's the whole strip right there. It goes right down, right in there through the fog. There's the strip going down to the stratosphere down at the other end. Isn't that cool? All the little hotels. Should be able to zoom in on Treasure Island. I can zoom in on, that looks like the Excalibur. There's the Luxor. Hacienda, the one they're remodeling. So that would be Caesars. I should be able to see it, but I haven't seen it on the big screen at home. That's where. We're a long ways away. Coming in. Vegas Strip. Bounce Hall. Singing and song. Side by side. There's the new lion. Lisa, this is where the white tigers are. The Mirage. It's a white tiger laying up there resting. Pretty. It's comfy. Comfortable. He's just sitting there leaning up against the post.
What are you doing?
Caesars and part of the strip. That's a dichotomy, isn't it?
The King and I.
Very good. Goodbye, Treasure Island.